Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now I'm at the vending machine again. Okay, we have the quad bike twin mill Dodge D100, the dream machine, which is very nice. Batmobile blue and black behind each other. Now this number 11 is surf and turf fantasy casting. They put this, and behind you have the Nissan Skyline. So if you want to buy the Nissan Skyline, you have to buy this fantasy casting. Then we have the Bass, Corvette, Camaro convertible, GT40, this La Choca, Porsche, the Fair Lady, the Falcon Camaro, the Bel Air, Kia Stinger, Lotus Elise. Behind we have the Time Machine and Batmobile. Keychain and the Jeep, Mustang, the Rampage. Then we have the Black Jaguar, Unimog, another Falcon Camaro, GT40, this one from the cartoon Spy Racer, a rally car and a pair of Unimog. The Jurassic World Mercedes is very nice, but I already have. What is tempting is this Mini GT. Toyota Supra, very nice. So I won't be buying anything this round. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.